Hi guys! For today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶 at paano mag-sign up sa 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶 para kumita ka na rin online. So kung gusto mong malaman lahat ng yan, panoorin mo ang buong videong ito. But before we start, paki-like naman ang videong to at subscribe naman dyan. Thank you! Alright, let's start after this intro. Ano ang 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶? 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶 is the leading affiliate marketing platform for partners and advertisers to grow their online revenue. It is a Malaysian-based performance marketing company that connects people who want to sell something online. That means, kung naghahanap ka ng side income or gusto mong kumita online, why not itry mo as affiliate marketer sa 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶? Through 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶 ay pwede mong i-promote ang mga products from Shopee or Lazada at marami pang iba. Napansin mo ba habang nag-scroll ka sa Facebook, tapos may nakita kang link, gaya nito? Affiliate link yan sa 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶. So by simply putting affiliate link sa post mo sa iyong Facebook profile, Facebook page, or group, or pwede rin sa YouTube, TikTok, etc. Kapag may nag-click sa link na pinost mo at bumili siya, so may marireceive kang commission from 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶.
Sana all.
At ngayon, I'll show you kung paano mag-sign up sa 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶 para magsimula ka na rin kumita online. Anyway guys, may nilagay akong link sa description para direct na kayong mapunta doon sa website ng 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶 para makapag-create na rin kayo ng account. Okay, so i-click lamang ang link na nasa description. Okay, so start na tayo guys. So first thing to do is go to Google. Then, once you're here, so i-type mo dito ang 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶. Alright, so ito yung website nila guys. So, i-click mo yan. Then after that, ay mapupunta ka dito guys para makapag-sign up ka na or makapag-create ng account. So, i-click mo itong Create Account. Then dito is ilagay mo ang iyong email address. And then, lagay ka ng password. So, dapat minimum of 8 characters with capital letter, symbol, and number. Then after that, confirm your password. Okay? So, lagay mo ulit dito. Alright, so, kung nalagay mo na yung email at may password ka na, so dito ka naman, basahin mo ang terms of use and privacy policy. Then after that, after mo mabasa yan, so i-click mo itong I agree with 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶. Ayan, so click mo yan. Then after that, you can create an account. At pagkatapos niyan ay mag-send sila ng verification link sa iyong email address. At ang gagawin mo ngayon guys is punta ka sa iyong email address. So okay, so pupunta na ako guys. And so ito yung na-send nila na i-verify natin. I-open mo yan. And then after that, i-click mo itong verify email. At after nyan is babalik ka sa kanilang website guys. As you can see, your email has been verified. Okay? So please log in. No? So mag-log in ka na. As you can see, may email na ako guys kasi may account na ako sa 𝗩𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗶. So papalitan ko lang ito sa bago kong email address na ginamit ko kanina sa pag-set up nito, pag-create ng account. So yun, at saka password and then log in. Alright, so after you log in guys, is ito yung una mong makikita. Sabi dito, choose the main property you would promote with. Now, select one with the highest traffic. For example, may website ka, may Facebook page, o di kaya YouTube channel, etc. I-choose mo yung platform na may marami kang followers at engagement. At dahil ipopromote ko ito guys sa Facebook, so I'll choose this one. I promote on social media. Then after that, i-click mo ang next. Then pagkatapos niyan, mapupunta ka dito, no? Select one social media account. And this will be your main account. Don't worry, pwede ka naman maka-add more after signing up. So it's up to you kung sa Facebook mo ba ito ipo-promote, o di kaya sa YouTube, o di kaya sa Instagram, or sa TikTok. And so, pili ka ng isa guys. Okay, for this one, I'll choose Facebook. Then add URL. Click mo yan. At dito naman is ilalagay mo ang iyong property display name. Ano yung name ng page mo o di kaya ang social media account mo. For example, this one, ito yung name ng page ko. Then after that, ilagay mo dito yung social media URL, ang URL ng page mo. Okay, so punta ako sa Facebook guys. And then kung i-copy ko itong URL ng aking page, then i-copy, then after that, i-paste ko dito. Ayan. Then after that, i-click mo ang next. Then dito naman, do your followers recognize you? Select the option that describes your presence in your content. Kung sa iyong mga post ba ay example video or di kaya mga post mo is nandyan yung photo mo or yung mukha mo, so ito yung pipiliin mo. Yes, they recognize me kasi you appear on camera and sa iyong mga post. At dito naman guys, sa no, they do not recognize me if more on product posting ka lang. So hindi nakikita, hindi ka nag-appear sa camera and sa iyong mga post. Example, sa mga Facebook page, more on product posting. So i-click mo yan. Okay, for this tutorial, I'll choose this one. Then after that, click next. At dito naman, how many followers are on this account? For example, ang iyong page or yung social media account ay below 1,000 followers. So choose this one. Pero ang aking page guys is 2,000 followers kasi, so ito yung iselect ko. Then after that, click next. At dito naman sa part na to, what would you like to promote? Select a maximum of 3 categories that are most relevant to your new property. Okay, so ibig sabihin pumili ka ng 3 categories dito guys kung ano yung mostly ipopost mo sa iyong page or sa iyong social media account na nakaregister sa 𝗩𝗶cie. So pumili ka dito guys. For example, this one, home and living. Then fashion, tech and electronics. Then after ka na maka-choose ng 3, so i-click na itong next. At dito naman, tell us more about yourself. So i-fill up lang to guys. Ikaw ba ay individual or nag-represent ka ba ng company? Pero dito guys is automatic siya nakaselect yung I am an individual. At ngayon, you can fill in the following information. So ilagay mo dito yung first name, yung last name. At dito sa involved profile name, pwede ilagay mo dito yung name mo, tapos lagyan mo ng number. Ayan. So for example, this one. Then after that, country of residence, Philippines. Okay. So hanapin mo yung Philippines. Then audience country, depende kung taga saan yung gusto mong audience. Okay, for example, this one. So, syempre, ang audience ko is mga Filipino. So, ayan. So, Philippines. I'll choose Philippines. Then after that, i-check mo itong box guys. Then after nyan is choose your currency. Kung Malaysian ringgit or United States dollar. So, depende sa'yo. Pwede namang ma-change yan in the future. Okay? Sa isang account ko is pinili ko yung Malaysian ringgit. Pero for this tutorial, I'll choose this one, USD. Okay. Then, input your mobile number here. Then, dito, piliin mo yung code, area code nyo guys. Okay. Then, after that, click next. Ayan, so tapos na tayo. So, kindly verify your information below. So, i-check mo kung tama ba ang nailagay mo. Then, pwede mong i-edit dito guys kung mali. Then, after that, kung okay na siya, then click submit. Ayan, so na-submit na siya guys. So ngayon mapupunta na tayo dito sa 𝗩𝗶cie dashboard. So may 2 minutes video sila guys na pwede mo panoorin yan. Then after that, pwede mo itong i-click ang let's begin. Then, click next. Click done. Okay, so ito na yun guys. Nandito na tayo sa 𝗩𝗶cie dashboard. Okay, so pwede mong i-explore mo. No? So ito yung pwede natin i-promote. Pwede kang mag-apply dyan. So, gagawa ko ng other tutorial para dyan guys. And then, pag ma-approve ng iyong account guys, is pwede mo itong fill upan, itong billing details or payment methods, no? I-click lamang itong update details para dito mo ilagay. Dito nila ihulog yung commission mo. Ayan, so nandito na tayo guys. So, you have 2 options guys. It's either PayPal or wire transfer. So, which is yung bank account mo. And para ma-input na natin ang billing details guys, is i-click lamang itong edit. Then pili ka, it's either PayPal or wire transfer. For example, dito sa PayPal guys is automatic nakaselect na ang Malaysian ringgit. Then after that, ilagay mo ang account details mo, name as PayPal account, PayPal email, and then contact number. Then after that, i-click mo itong save. At sa wire transfer naman guys, is dito ilagay mo ang bank account mo guys. Dito sa payout currency is pwede mo i-change ito guys. Okay, so pwede i-change Philippine Peso or USD. Ayan. Then, after that, ilagay mo ang bank account details. Name as per bank account number, then beneficiary email, then contact number mo, then bank information, bank name, bank country, and SWIFT code. Then, click save. After that, so i-click mo itong save. Alright, so as you can see guys, your property is being reviewed. Please allocate up to 48 hours for approval. So hindi basta-basta ma-approve guys. Kailangan mo pa maghintay ng up to 48 hours. Okay? So, yun lang guys for this tutorial. And that's all for today's tutorial. So, paano na yan? Mag-sign up ka na sa 𝗩𝗪cie. Para mas madali ang pag-sign up, may link ako nilagay sa description or sa comment section para pag i-click mo yan, ang link na yan is automatic ka nang mapupunta sa website ng 𝗩𝗪cie. Ayan guys, if you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless and enjoy life!